Hello everyone. Welcome to another learning conversation.
Today, we will talk about a very important topic.
Yes, a topic that matters to every person on this planet.
We will talk about nature protection.
Maya, do you like nature?
Yes, Arjun. I love nature. I love green trees, fresh air, blue sky, and clean water. Nature feels peaceful.
I feel the same. When I see trees and flowers, I feel happy. Nature gives us life.
Yes, trees give us oxygen, rivers give us water, animals and birds keep the balance of the earth.
But Maya, sometimes I feel worried. I see pollution. I see plastic everywhere. I see people cutting trees.
Yes, Arjun, that is a big problem. Many people forget how important nature is. They throw waste without thinking.
Do you think our planet is in danger?
If we do not change, then yes, but if we take care and work together, we can protect nature.
So Maya, how can we protect nature? Tell me some simple ways.
Sure, here are some easy steps. Use less plastic, plant more trees, save water, do not waste electricity, keep our surroundings clean.
That sounds simple. Everyone can do that.
Yes, Arjun, small actions create big changes.
Sometimes, when I walk in the park, I see children playing, birds singing, and trees moving in the wind. I feel thankful.
Me too. Nature is not just outside, nature is a part of us.
So protecting nature is like protecting ourselves.
Exactly. If we care for nature, nature will care for us.
Maya, I will start today. I will plant one small tree, and I will not throw waste on the ground.
That's wonderful. I will also do my part. I will save water and use a cloth bag instead of plastic.
If more people do the same, our world will become clean, safe, and beautiful.
Yes, together, we can protect nature. Together, we can make Earth a better home.
Maya, sometimes I think we humans forget how important nature is.
Yes, Arjun, we forget, because everything feels easy now. We have machines, we have technology, we have comfort, but we forget, nature gave us life first.
That is true. Trees, water, animals, and clean air are not just things. They are our support, our home.
Arjun, do you remember the time we saw that river near the park?
Yes, I remember. It was dirty, full of plastic bottles and waste.
That day, I felt sad. Rivers are beautiful, they carry life, but now, people are forgetting to care.
I felt sad too, but instead of only feeling sad, we should take action. Even small actions matter.
Yes, like using less plastic, planting more trees, or keeping our environment clean.
And we can teach others too. Sometimes, people harm nature because they don't know, but if we teach them gently, they will understand.
That is a very good thought. Change begins with awareness. Awareness becomes understanding. Understanding becomes action.
Maya, do you think our small actions can truly help?
Yes, Arjun, every big change starts small. Even one tree can give shade, can give oxygen, can give life.
You are right. I think we should make a simple promise today.
Yes, a promise.
A promise to protect nature. A promise to act responsibly. A promise to be kind to our planet.
And a promise to teach others, so we protect the earth together.
Because the earth is our only home. Maya, do you know something? Sometimes I feel sad because many people do not care about nature.
Yes, Arjun, I feel the same. Some people cut trees, some people throw plastic in rivers, and some people hunt animals. All this makes nature weak.
You are right, but I also believe that small good actions can make a big change.
Yes, I agree. One person can inspire many others, just like one candle can light another candle.
Beautiful sentence. So Maya, what small actions can we do?
We can start with 3 simple habits. 1. Use less plastic. 2. Save water. 3. Plant trees.
That is very good. We can also stop wasting electricity, because power plants can harm nature.
Yes, when we switch off lights and machines that we are not using, we help our environment.
Maya, I have one more idea. We can teach children. If children learn to love nature, then the future will be better.
Yes, Arjun, children learn fast. If we teach them kindness, they will grow as responsible people who care for animals, trees, water, and air.
Maya, do you remember the last time we planted a tree?
Yes, Arjun, it was 1 year ago. The small tree is now taller than us.
That made me so happy. When I saw the tree growing, I felt proud, because I knew we did something good.
Yes, nature gives us so much: clean air, fresh water, beautiful animals, green forests, and peaceful places.
And in return, we should protect it, we should respect it, we should care for it.
Arjun, I think protecting nature is our responsibility, not only for today, but for future generations.
Yes, Maya, if we protect nature today, then tomorrow, nature will protect us.
Exactly. Healthy nature means healthy life.
So from today, let us promise something.
Yes, let us promise to protect nature, to care for our planet, and to live responsibly.
Because this earth is our home, and we must keep it safe.
Thank you so much for watching, friends. I hope today's lesson helped you learn something new and exciting in English. Remember, practice every day, speak confidently, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we grow. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more lessons, and share this video with someone who's learning English too. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next class. Take care, and end.